Hello, welcome to IT Wizard Official. This is your boy Idris Ajanak Misbah, popularly known as IT Wizard. All right, so today we are going to talk about how to make a post on your WordPress blog website. All right, but before, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get all the videos I'm going to upload in the near future, so that you wouldn't miss all the necessary or important videos I'm going to make. This channel is free and I don't charge anything for anything I provide. Understand? If you want to learn about graphic designing, if you want to learn about blogging, if you want to earn on your website using AdSense, this is the right channel that you have to follow. Just click on the notification button so that you will get every post that I will upload or every video that I'll upload. All right. So without wasting my time, let's just go into it. All right. So let's go to our dashboard. Before I'm going to use Light News GH. Light News GH. Light News GH. All right. So this is the website I'm going to use today. All right, so Light News GH. So yes, Light News GH. Light News GH is an insurance website that talks about only insurance and finance and market technology, all business, finance, market, technology, all combined. You understand? All right. So this is the website you are going to use today. Yeah. All right, so this is the website, and these are some of the posts that I've already made. All right, so let's just go into the dashboard of this website. Let's go to the dashboard of this website. So lightnewsga.com slash WP dash admin slash. So I'm going to the admin panel of this website. So let me put in my email, my username, and my password. So my username and my password is required here. Oh yeah, yeah. So this is the dashboard and this is the homepage. When you launch your dashboard, this is what you're going to see first. Yeah. So you can see the traffic that I've generated for the past 1 week. I've not been making posts, so you can see that my views they are dropping the last 30 days. Um, last 30 days versus this current 30 days, you see, I have 56% drop down. You see that my viewers are annoyed with me because I'm not posting. Understand? It's a little bit sad. It's a little bit sad. All right. Okay, so you're going to make a new post. So we have to go to add new post. But I can choose to go to all post. Yeah. But you can click on add new post. But if you want to follow what I'm doing, then just click on all post. All post shows you all the posts you have already made for the past since you created this website. The posts that I have been making, you can find it here. All right. So these are all my posts. You can see that I don't joke with my SEO. They are all green, and sometimes the readability becomes orange, and sometimes too it becomes red. But most of the times it's orange or green. All right. So let's add new post. All right. So this is what we have here. So we can have the add title. This way, you are going to add the heading of the post that you're going to make, or maybe some people call it the title of the post. All right. And here is the body. I can call it the body of the post. So this way, you're going to add everything except the title. Here, you're going to add everything except the title. And here you can choose to add a lot of blocks that you want. You can add paragraph, you can add image, you can add heading, you can add gallery, list, quote. Um, we have a lot. We have a lot. Because of time, I'm not going to deal much into this. So let's just go to what or go to the reason why we are making this post. All right. So let me choose a title. The title that I want. Uh, let me choose a title. Okay, so I've already had a title in mind. So uh, Securing Tomorrow, a comprehensive guide to insurance strategies. All right, so this is my title. This is my topic. This is what I want to write on. So this should guide me on the content I will write. I'll make sure that I have insurance is the keyword. Insurance is the main keyword that I'm going to use. So in your post, you have to have a lot of insurance, and I bet you insurance too is one of the best keywords that gives a lot of money. You understand? So don't joke with insurance. That's why I love insurance. Insurance is great. All right. So I've already written something, so I just want to paste it here. If I start to write everything here, I'm going to waste time. So I've already written something, so I'm going to paste it here. All right. So this is what I have here. I think it's not quietly in a good weather. So uh, yeah, I'll delete some part of it. I'll delete some part of it, and I'll add an effect to it. Heading. Let me give it a heading of H2. Let me give this one to. Okay, let me bold it. Okay, so let me give it H3. You can choose to give the style that you want, but this is how I like mine. That's why I'm changing some of the headings to the heading that suits my likeness. All right, so I'm going to give it H3. You can see that I'm giving some H2, I'm giving some H3. Yeah, that's my choice. You can choose to give whatever you want. All right. So I think I'm okay with what I have now. All right. So before you continue, you have to come to the latter part where you see the used SEO. You can have rank math, you can have all-in-one SEO, but I'm choosing used SEO because that's what I like. You can see that my readability here has become green, but my SEO, my search engine optimization, is red. So let's get this to green as well. So let me click on it and let me count down, see the requirement for it to become green. All right, so I should have outbound links. I should have images on the content, in the content. I should have internal links. I should have key phrase length. The key phrase length shouldn't be more than 8, as I said earlier. Meta description length should also not exceed the required limit. SEO title width, that one too should not be more than. Text length, I think is okay. The text contains 818 words. That's good. All right, so they just give me a thumb. Good job. All right, so let's make sure that all this red turns to green. So before I'm going to add my outbound link, that is the external link. All right, so um, package protection. So protection can sometimes go into technology. Protection can sometimes go into technology. Um securing security can also go into technology. Uh, okay, I just want some nice keywords so that I can link it. I can link it to any external source. Investment. Okay, let me link investment to a post in this website. All right. Okay, so let me use this. Okay, payment. Payment is great. Payment is great. So let me use payment as an outside. Let me use TechBars GH, techbarsgh.com. Okay, so I'm using techbarsgh.com as my external link. All right. So now I'm done with my internal and external link. So let me add. So copy. Let me add my title into my focus key phrase. I will choose to put all the. That's what I want. I want to put all the title inside the focus key phrase. I can choose to take some parts, some important words that can be found in my post. So I think insurance strategies is okay, but I choose to put everything. You can choose to, but you can choose to find the focus key phrase in that title and you use it. All right. So the Slack, I can choose to put the same thing because Slack sometimes auto-generated. When you publish automatically, the Slack will be generated. All right. So meta description. Let's go and find the meta description. In a meta description, sometimes it is required that they see the title, some words in the title inside the meta tag, meta description. So I'm going to copy this and add it to my first sentence. Add it to my sentence. So let's copy this. So let's say the first sentence. Let's copy that. The first to second sentence. Let's copy that. So we have this. It's too long, but I'll delete some. If you see that it goes above the limit being put the. All right. So you can see that we have green here. It's supposed to be green. So let's delete some of the words so that we can get it. I'm sure by if you reach like financial, if you need to reach financial, it will become. Yeah, I said it. It will become green. All right. So we still have orange, we don't have green yet. So what might be the problem? So let's come back again. So right now we have all these green. So now it's like with key phrase density. So you can see that the key phrase was found one time. My key phrase is found one time. That is in the first sentence. That's where it is found. So let me add the key phrase in some of the posts as well so that I can get like two. Um, so I can get like two. Okay, let me add it here. All right, so I have two. Let us see if okay the key phrase okay now it's gone. So images. So the images. Okay, later on I will add the image. I will add the image to that place too. All right. Key phrase images. Key phrase in subhead use more key phrase or synonyms in the each and three subheadings. All right. Okay, so let's add the image and see that if it's gonna change from orange to green. Let's add the image and see. Okay, so all right, so this is insurance. So I'm gonna add the category before it's too late. So I'm going to add insurance. Add insurance. Okay, so let's add the image media library. I'm going to uploads. I'm going to select files. Um, I'm going to pictures. Okay, so I think I have okay insurance JPG. All right, so let's add the alt text to this. All right. So yeah, great. So you see, as I added the image to it, I have the SEO to be green as well. So now the problem we have right now is the key phrase in subheading. SEO title weight is more than nine. As I said, your SEO title shouldn't be more than 9 words, but it's in my own it's more than nine. So if you calculate, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so it's more than because we have this sign over here, but it's great. Understand? It's great. It exceeds the limit. You can see that securing tomorrow comprehensive guide it exceed this place, but it's okay. So I have green. I have everything green, so I don't have a problem. So now my site is ready, and I just click on the publish, and then that is it. Our site is being published into the internet. All right, so let's view the post that we just made. Let's view it. Okay, so view post. Yeah, leave. Okay, all right. So this is what we have here. Yeah, so this is the post that we just made, and that's it. That's I've made a post. You understand? Making posts is not difficult, you know. If you haven't subscribed, can you subscribe now? Click on the like button. Share this video. Don't forget to also comment below to support us.